What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be seeing of the new fishing boombox dupes. I think it's called the fishing boombox. Let me see. Yeah, fishing boombox. Let's go see if it dupes. I have like, not to be joking around, I have like 6 to 7 eggs in my backpack with revolver ammo so I can protect myself. Let's go. I'm gonna speed run this. Watch me do this. I'm joking. I won't do the fastest office. I won't do the fastest duplication. Nobody's that fast. Unless it's not, unless it's, oh my god, unless it is. Mystery key card. Please don't kill Steve. Mr. Key card. Go. Mr. Office, please don't kill Steve. Now we do gotta watch out because there are entities, specifically NPCs. Oh, sweet. That's probably the one up there. This way? Oh, that's super dark. Like, do nothing. Ah! Yes. Mimic. Uh-oh. I think it's this one. Oh no, that's the duck. It's the duck mine. Who's this thing? Is it here? Really like a blue, no, purple vision boombox. Pretty nice. Okay, let's do this. Uh-oh. I probably should just dump out one at a time since you got it. Check. Ooh. I think one more. Good. All right, let's go see. I'm gonna copy Uncle Steve. I'm gonna copy Uncle Steve's line. Mr. Boombox, do you do? No? What? No, wait, what? There's none at the bottom? What? No! Dude. Didn't do? Why? Ah. Well, I don't know what. Whoa. Do I have an extra egg? Maybe all Let's head back home. Where does this get the exit? Let's take the elevator. Is this the faster way to the duplication machine? Is there like a faster way to it? No, there isn't. Okay. So this is not even the way. Did I seriously? Cool. No. That scared me. Dude, Mr. NPC got scared. Nope, we're not going in there. Where's my grappler? Which is fantastic. Who needs zip lines when you can just do pro climbing? Where's the exit? I see that. Really that bad at just go. Dang it, it doesn't dupe. That would have been so cool. I would have a tiny little boombox. Boom, 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 boom. Dang it. Alright, let's just do the shred of the day. See how much money we make. So today, oh my god. So today I am worth Today I am worth 1,000 nuts. I am worth 1,052 nuts. Not too bad, but also not that good because if people have millions of dollars nowadays, which is kind of getting a problem. But yeah, people say nuts are useless. People say nuts are useless when they're really not, because when you run out of nuts, you're gonna be like, hey, is there any money codes? So you gotta be careful with your nuts. No, not like that. You get my point. You guys get what I'm trying to say. You gotta be careful with your nuts because people say nuts are useless, but when they actually do one out, they're like, "Can anybody give me? Is there like a money code or something?" Like, yeah. And nuts are not useless. They're like practically the main like point of the game, like to buy items with nuts. Because without nuts, we wouldn't be able to buy items at all. Like, all of the shop wouldn't be here. This would not even exist. I really wanted this to do. This looks like a projector. Look at that. This looks like a projector. Anyways, I wonder if they're ever gonna remove this little guy. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you later. Peace. 6